Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video is about making this beautiful vase using air dry clay. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Now getting it into the process of making this. I have taken a plastic bottle and as I am showing in the video, I did the marking and cut off the top part of it. After you have cut the top part, make sure you do the sanding so that there are no sharp edges. I am covering the bottle using a white gesso. I could have used a black gesso to avoid the step of again coloring it with black color. Now I am taking here Feviceril molded clay. It has two packets inside. One is the resin and the other is hardener. We have to mix both of it evenly. Once that is done, I am taking the small portion of it and the rest I need to keep it covered. Then using this portion, I am just rolling it and dividing it into equal parts. I have made 5 parts and for these parts I will shape it into a petal. Don't make the petals too thin, otherwise after drying there are chances of it breaking off. Here you can see I have put the flower on the bottle. Now I am adding some detail using a pointed stick. Make other flowers in the similar way and glue it on the bottle. You can vary the size of these flowers. I have made flowers in different sizes and covered this part of the bottle. Now I am taking a small amount of clay and rolling it into a thin pipe-like structure. I will use this to make the stems of the flower. Now moving on to make leaf. I am taking a small amount of clay and making a teardrop shape. I will glue this along the stem and add in some detail using the same stick. Now using this pattern we have to cover the full bottle. So keep on making flower, stem and leaves. Try to cover as much area as possible. You can see one part of the bottle is done. In the similar way, I will cover the full bottle. This is the completed design. We have to let it dry for a couple of hours. For this design plus the lines at the top, I have used 3 packets of the clay. Now I am using black acrylic color and covering this bottle completely. As I have mentioned before, I could have used a black gesso and then I would have just covered or painted the clay design with the black color. This is how it looks after completely covering it with black color. Now we will take gold metallic color and add in some shading to it. You can use dry brushing technique, but I prefer applying paint using my finger. You have to take very little paint in your finger. You don't want to dab it or cover the detailed areas of the flowers and the leaves. Also, you have to make sure that you don't apply gold paint on the background. You just have to apply it on the clay structure or the design that you have created. I'm just taking a little bit of color on my finger and dabbing it on the motifs. This is how it looks after it's completed. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and comment on it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.